Get ready, tech enthusiasts! Samsung is gearing up to take foldable phones to the next level. Leaks suggest the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will debut with the brand new One UI 8, based on Android 16. From faster software updates to innovative features, there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive in. One UI 8 on Android 16, what's new? Samsung is already testing its next big operating system, One UI 8, and it's set to be based on Android 16. According to leaks, this cutting-edge OS will come preloaded on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. That's right, Samsung is pushing the boundaries by starting development 2 months earlier than usual. With a planned release in July, these foldables could redefine smartphone software experiences. Foldable innovation and early test builds. Insiders have revealed that Samsung is running internal tests for One UI 8, with build versions spotted for flagship devices like the Galaxy S25. This early testing hints at faster, more efficient updates and exciting customizations tailored for the foldable form factor. Imagine opening your Galaxy Z Fold 7 to a fluid, optimized interface that maximizes productivity and creativity. Android 16 release timeline. What it means for Samsung. Here's an interesting fact. Android 16 is expected to officially launch in June 2025. That means Samsung could be among the first manufacturers to roll out the new OS through their One UI 8 skin. Following Google's release timeline, this new software update might bring enhanced multitasking, better battery optimization, and fresh UI design elements. Foldable users, this could be a game changer. Speculation around Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Now let's talk about the devices themselves. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are rumored to launch in July, keeping up with Samsung's tradition of mid-year foldable debuts. If past models are any indication, we can expect impressive designs, flagship-tier performance, and more refined foldable displays. Could One UI 8's seamless integration be the key to elevating foldables to mainstream appeal? What we don't know yet. While we know Samsung is pulling out all the stops for One UI 8, there's still some mystery surrounding its features. Will it focus on new AI tools, advanced customization, or better synergy with Samsung's ecosystem? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, Samsung fans should gear up for some thrilling announcements in the coming months. That's the latest scoop on Samsung's One UI 8 and its next-generation foldables. Are you excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on your favorite tech and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.